In question 2, we again have a clarinet and we have it tuned to 156.55 hertz. If you guys are wondering why these are all kind of crazy, it's just to give you different numbers in canvas to play with rather than all having exactly the same numbers. We know the velocity. And the question is, at what distance from the reed would you need to start opening holes in order to have a note 4 keys higher? All right, 4 keys higher. And by keys here, we mean keys on the standard chart that we have. All right. And so this gets into the math of the distribution of the keys and the part three video for the lecture. All right. And so let's look at how we would do that. Well, what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to move into the log space. So log F. All right, it's going to be the base 2 log. And so the log of f in base 2, right? So in Excel, to get another base other than base 10, you use the extra piece that's an option on the function, the log of the number you want, comma, and then the base you're going to use. So now we have the log of the frequency that we start with in base 2. Okay, now we need to go 4 keys higher. And if you remember from the part 3 of the lecture, right, to go 4 keys higher, we're just going to add 4 times our sorry. Let me put in, I did not put in, pardon me. I need a new variable. N is 4 keys higher, right? Okay, so to go 4 keys higher, we're going to start in log space and we're going to add the number of keys we want to go higher times 1 over 12, right? Because 1 over 12 is 1 key. To go 4 keys higher, you do that 4 times. And that gives us the log of our new frequency, all right? So now we have to get what is our new frequency. Well, Fn is just going to be 2 raised to the log of Fn. That gives us our new frequency. So now we have the new frequency. We can get the wavelength at this frequency by simply taking the velocity of sound and dividing it by the frequency, right? And we know how long this needs to be because it's a quarter wave instrument. So we're just going to take that and divide by 4. So 0.43 is the length we're after, and it's supposed to be in centimeters. So length in centimeters is just going to be that times 100, and we get to 43 centimeters is how far away from the mouthpiece that you need to open the first hole or begin opening holes. And there you go for question 2.